Okay, so I'm currently working on this project here. This is with the Faber-Castell water graphite pencils. And I recently did a review comparing the Derwent and the Faber-Castell pencils, and you can see the swatches here. But I wanted to do a full project with them, and I'm working on this. And the background is quite a dark background. And the darkest color, as you can see here in the swatches, is the 8B. And it's just one pencil. And if I cover the background with that, it's going to take me quite a while. So I have some of these Smart Art boxes and Palettefull boxes here. These are the two that I just got for February. But back here on the shelves, I have some more and some over here. And I remember one month we did get some water-soluble graphite. So I'm going to go through some of these boxes and hopefully I can find one, because I think we had a Lyra water-soluble graphite pencil, and it's a nice big one. So I'm hoping I could use that for the background maybe, and then the pencil still for the flower, and I'd still be able to do sort of a more in-depth review of that. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to start going through some of these boxes, and I'm going to set my camera up so you can kind of see me down here on the floor. I've got the cat with me today. I've got the little one, Gotham, and then I've got this one here. He's usually not up here. This is Gizmo, and he's deciding that he's going to be a mama's boy today. So that's what I'm going to do, and I figured for today I was just going to take you guys with me. It's Saturday morning, and usually I don't get really time to art on the weekends because I do work full-time right now. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, so I found it. This was actually in the November 2020 Palettefull Premieres pack, and it was a graphite box. So we got some of the Staedtler Mars Lumigraft pencils. We got the Lyra water-soluble graphite, and this is in 9B, so I'm hoping it's going to be a little bit darker than my 8B. To be honest, I haven't even tried this out yet. I got the box, I went through it, I went, oh, this is really cool. I've never tried, water-soluble graphite. And then I ended up getting the Derwent ones and then the Faber-Castell ones, and I have yet to try these ones out. And it also came with some Lyra sketching set, so you get a couple different pencils in there as well. And these really cool illustration boards that I would like to try at some point. So if you want to see a video using some of these stuff, or if you want me to start, going through the Smart Art and the Palettefull boxes again, because I've kind of been busy December, January, just had a lot going on. I do work full time, so, I have limited time to do art related stuff right now. But if you do want to see videos related to this stuff, then let me know down in the comments below, and I will absolutely make time to do that if that's something you guys want to see. Also, we got this, I think this was a limited edition Blackwing pencil from Palettefull packs. So it's all dusty because there was like these blue little dusty things in there for packing, and I always get rid of them because they are a pain in the butt and they get everywhere. So I'm going to grab this graphite pencil, and I think I'm just going to leave the sleeve on it for now. It's supposed to fit in there, but I don't really know if I want to figure that out right now. So I'm going to go ahead, try this out, and I'll probably, just show you guys real quick in this. I'm going to call this probably like not really a studio tour, maybe like a studio vlog or something like that. I'm just trying it out. Let me know if you guys want to see more stuff like this, and I can do one every now and then. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do right now. Okay, well, that's a bust. I don't know if you guys can see, but I am trying my little heart out to blend this, and it's not doing much at all. So yeah, good thing I tried that before I put it on the paper for my picture. I'm gonna try if I can pick up some from the end of this. And I mean, I've got, you know, some water on there. It's wet. So I'm just gonna try to see if I can pick some up on my brush and see how that goes. And I mean, that works better than just laying it down, but if we compare it to the 8B of the Faber-Castell, it's significantly lighter. So, I guess we'll be using the Faber-Castell pencils for the whole project. So that'll be a tutorial coming up. If it's already up, I'll link it down below in the description. If not, it should be going up within the next week or two. Okay, so now I have all these boxes that I need to go through and actually put stuff away because I've just been accumulating the boxes. So I have my studio helpers here. Maybe they can do that for me. Would you guys do that for Mommy? Yeah. So I've got to do that at some point. So if you guys want to see a video on that, of me going through them, putting them away, I keep a lot of my art supplies in there. I keep stuff that I don't use that often in the closet. That's just a disaster, so we're not even going to go there. I've just recently gotten the 10 set of M-gram watercolors. These were colors that I had before, so I picked up the 10 set. And so I've got to go through. I've got a new palette that I've got to fill out, and these are my little swatchy things. So if you guys want to see that as well in a video, because I usually just do that on my own time, but if you want to see something like that or a time lapse of that, let me know and I'll absolutely do that in a video. Then over here, I've got to put some of these Inktense pencils away. So these were pencils that I just did a tutorial with, so that'll probably go up next week or this week, depending when this video is going out. These are some of the Prismacolors that I had used for a previous tutorial. Still need to put those away. If you want a sneak peek of the one that I just did, maybe I'll just show you real quickly. Oh, look, and there's the color swatches that I did. So this was a previous tutorial. This was with the Prismacolors, and this is with the Inktense. So if you want to see that, I will have a tutorial coming up. I'm going to stick that back in there so I don't lose it, so I can write down what colors I used for you guys. And yeah, so I've got to put some stuff away, but I kind of want to get back to doing that artwork. So maybe that's what I'll do now. Okay, so the flower is finally done. And this video will probably go up next week from when this vlog out. When this vlog is out, I'm planning to put up the blueberry this week. So this one here that I showed you, this should go up on either Thursday or Friday. So make sure that you're subscribed and hit the notification bell for that. I just wanted to mention with this, I did try to go in with the Tombow mono eraser. And then I also remembered I had this one, the Faber-Castell Perfection Eraser. And I forgot about that, so I tried to go in, and that's where I get these bright whites in here. But I'll do a video about that, and I'll explain about that and kind of do a review of the pencils at the same time, because I kind of have to do a full piece to do a review. I can't just do some swatches like this and give you my full opinion. I mean, I can give you my impressions, my first impressions, but really to get a feel for the medium, I have to do, you know, a full piece. So that's what I've been doing, and I've been testing out different sketchbooks and different papers, so I will have a review of all that coming up. So right now, my next thing to do is to get this all put away. So the Inktense, the colored pencils, I'm going to put them all back in here. I might just do like a quick little time lapse of that, depending how long this video is going to be. let me know, you know, down in the comments below if you guys like these kind of style of videos. Yeah, because I'm not really sure. I'm just sort of trying it out. I've been doing, you know, 2 videos a week, but I'm only kind of guaranteeing 1 video a week. But if I can sort of give you like little, you know, videos here of what's going on in the background of what I'm doing to get the videos out to you. If you're interested in stuff like that, I can certainly film that kind of stuff. So let me know, but I'm going to deal with this first. And then I might do this in another vlog video. I've got some watercolor paper here. My Arches, not my Arches. This is Arches watercolor paper here. This is the Etcher cold pressed sketchbook. And then I have their cold press and hot press cards as well. They're postcards. So I'm thinking of doing a little video maybe using those. So let me know if you want to see that as well. But I might do, you know, I might start another little vlog including this. But right now I'm going to deal with this and then I will see you when I'm done. So why I have all of my Inktense pencils in with my Caran d'Ache Luminance pencils, I'm not sure. They just fit really well in here together. So I'm going to put these ones away. And I just have like a binder made up with the swatches that I've done. And this just helps me put the pencils away and stuff because I can kind of look and see where everything is. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog style video today. If you want to see more videos like this, then please let me know down in the comments below. I'm just sort of experimenting right now with different things, seeing what you guys like, what you don't like. Yeah, so make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell so you'll know when I upload my videos, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Say bye, Gotham. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Oh. Bye, everyone.